Scientists have discovered a new network of microscopic blood vessels in our bones. Blood cells are produced in the bone marrow, which is the soft, fatty tissue inside bone cavities. Scientists noticed that once mature, these blood cells move quickly from the bone marrow into the circulatory system. This has been known for a while, but how these blood cells get out of bones and into circulation so quickly has left scientists scratching their heads. Sure, there are passageways in and out, but those are big arteries and veins at the ends of bones, which makes them an impractical route if the body needs a quick burst of the cells forged within our marrow. To search for the missing secret tunnels, researchers treated the bone with a chemical that allowed them to observe the movement of blood inside the bones themselves. What they found were thousands of very tiny channels in the bone that led from the marrow to the bloodstream. But that wasn't good enough. They still needed to prove what it was these tunnels were doing. So, they stained special immune cells that are made in the bone marrow and then used a laser to make them light up. Sure enough, in cross-section after cross-section of a mouse's tibia, they saw soft, bone-carrying tissue snaking through the bony architecture. And when they reconstructed the cave-like world inside a mouse bone in 3D, they could see that the skeleton had hollowed out canals so that these capillaries could carry blood quickly. That solved the mystery of how cells could flood so quickly into the bloodstream. At least, it did so in mice. To confirm that human bones also contain these hidden channels, one of the researchers put his own leg into an MRI machine. The images showed tiny holes on the surface of his thigh bone. Surprisingly, researchers found that the number of these tiny channels increased in mice that have rheumatoid arthritis, as well as in mice that were exposed to radiation. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder that wears away the joints. In humans, both radiation and arthritis are known to damage bones. So, if humans do have these capillaries, it could open up the door to new kinds of therapies for treating inflammatory diseases such as osteoporosis, rheumatoid arthritis, or tumors that metastasize into bones. This is not the first time scientists have discovered hidden vascular channels. In another study, researchers discovered channels that connect the bone marrow of the skull to the brain. When researchers induced a stroke or meningitis in mice, immune cells from their skull used this route to reach the brain and respond to the damage. These microvascular channels have also been observed in humans. But researchers have yet to determine in humans whether immune cells pass through these channels. If they do, this could have implications in treating a number of neurodegenerative diseases where inflammation is believed to be involved, including multiple sclerosis and Alzheimer's disease. This just goes to show that while we have made great strides in our understandings of incredibly complex things, including the mysteries of the cosmos, our very own bodies still have plenty of surprises waiting to be discovered.